Yeah, leather seats, got the contrast stitching. This is it. This is it, boys. New build. We're lifting it, putting on 37s, calling her good. Oh boy, do we have a treat for today. We got the old Oscar Mayer wiener up in here. Gonna be detailing mom's car, huh?
Yep.
Getting her right.
Since her son's not taking care of it.
Oh, I'm just really busy. I don't even take care of my own car.
What are you going to work with today? Are you taking the Mustang or are you?
I'll take the Mustang probably.
Or the
Fogini. No, I'm take the fun car. It's a nice day. It's a little cold, but it'll be a nice day. Forgot how heavy this is without the struts. Maybe I'm just weak in the morning. I don't know. Just pull that baby out.
This right here?
Yeah. Yeah, dude. She had like little like marks all across here, like something was walking across.
What the hell does this do?
It's like a, I don't know what this thing actually does. It's like a certain frequency that only they can hear. And it like deters pests. I don't know. Get that thing on out of here. Better safe than sorry. Whatever.
Didn't want to start right there. You felt that?
It's cold, that's why. She loves owls. You just totally got rid of her owl. She's gonna be pissed at you, buddy. All right, you know how to drive low cars? You gotta watch this thing. TR60s. Oh, 6R80s? No. He's used to a TR6060, not this MT82. It's a unit. Yeah, it's just down. You got this, buddy. Oh, the slightest graze. Yeah, he does some pretty... Okay, buddy, ripping it. Nah, not really. He does some pretty good detailing work, so that car's in good hands. He's got that Shelby, like I've mentioned a million times before, so it's gonna be real nice. A little extra time, so we came out here to CarMax to see, well, trucks really, but we're also taking a look at the Mustangs. They have a PP2 18. Thing looks meaty, dude.
I like it.
I like it too. It's white.
This is really nice.
It's on what, 19s, Pilot Sport 4S's. Nice wheels.
Yeah.
Obviously manual, of course, because it's a PP2.
This is nice.
Wonder how much they're asking.
Oh, they're smart to put the key thing there.
Yeah, 44 with 5,000 miles. It's got the 5.0.
How much are these new? Like 50?
Oh, dude, these are 55. They're Magna Ride. They're everything. Yeah, got the big screen here. Let's see how she's feeling. Dude, MGW. No, I'm just kidding. B&O sound system. Got the digital dash. No, come on, come on. Yeah, dude, they're meaty. I like the front splitter. The front splitter is the big part.
Really nice.
Yeah, so that's a big part of the PP2 package. You get some cool wheels, 6-piston Brembos, but the splitter is actually like really nice.
Someone hit some curbs.
Ooh, yeah, I'll give you. All right, now I'll give you 10 grand for it. Oh, we got 2 more 5.0s.
Oh, wow. They only have V6s here.
Yeah, they got one over there, but then they have this black one. Paint's a little oomph, but also a manual. And then also a manual.
This isn't a track pack, huh? Or performance pack?
No, this is a premium. It's got the premium wheels.
But it's not a PP.
Not a track.
Not a PP.
Not a PP, dude. It's got the heated and cooled seats.
And all that. They're all manual.
All manual.
It's a base though, huh?
Yeah, this is a base with the wheels, the 18s. Yeah. Yeah.
It's pretty nice.
29 for a base.
Acom has this color, right?
Yeah, sterling gray.
Yeah.
Yeah. 29 for that one or 29 for this one? 30,000 versus 15,000.
Ooh, that's kind of a
double the mileage but more features.
Hit or miss. But
I don't
it's
know.
Not like 30K is a lot of miles to begin with.
Not on a 5.0, dude. These
I'd
things
rather
are
have the
strong.
features that I can't change out, you know?
Yeah, true. Like the heated and cooled seats and stuff. Yeah.
I'd rather have that.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at some of these trucks.
Oh.
Also What?
It's a nice M3.
Oh, also an M3 over here.
gotta-
Shout out Mo Sharif. He had this bad boy. They're fun cars.
This is what it looks like when you take care of a car, bro.
Yeah, 41.
Huh.
So not too bad, dude.
That's a good value.
That's a no haggle 41 with 50,000 miles.
So that means if you look somewhere else, you could probably find one for like 36.
Yeah, and it's carbon roof, all that stuff. They're not bad looking cars, but I'm not a BMW guy. I'm a Mercedes guy. And trucks here. Let's see the.
You got a platinum.
Oh, there's the platinum. That's the one I want.
The paint's not looking too hot.
Yeah, it could be polished. We'll send it off. If the paint's not too good, we'll send it off to Oscar. Just have him fix it up for us.
That's a nice TRD in the back.
Little turd.
The turd.
Little turd back here. It's like new Silverado. I want to see one of these. I haven't been in the new ones.
Oh, I shot like 40 of them in one day.
Yeah, not the. Not a fan. Not a fan.
I'm a Chevy guy and I'm not a fan.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of this. Look at that little screen right there. All this plastic. I mean, obviously it depends on the trim.
Is this like a base or something?
Yeah, it has to be. I don't even know the way these work, but not a fan of this. I really like how I fit in the F150s. I mean, I'm a pretty big Ford guy, but F150 Lariat right here. White, painted.
37.
I love this feature on Fords. Oh, and it's got a console shift, leather. All right. Heated and cooled seats. Yeah, this is way nicer. It was a rental car, so it was for sure beat. 33,000 miles.
Genuine wood trim.
Yeah, that's real wood, dude. I fit in this so much better. I fit in this so much better. I love these. Got the outlet. You could be editing on the go. Dude, look at this. Heated and cooled seats. 4-wheel drive. Even my grandpa was saying it's time for a new build, and I think the truck would be the next build. These things are... Ooh, okay. I didn't get to finish that statement because he got me with the caramel interior.
Ooh. You liking it or what?
Caramel interior on that thing.
What is this?
I don't know.
It's a Bighorn. Bighorn is pretty low.
Eco diesel. 30,000?
31, yeah.
It's not too bad.
That's not bad.
24,000 miles.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad. So you're going Sierra, I'm gonna go Platy.
If I had to choose, it would be this generation.
Look at how low it looks compared to the Platinum though.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Well, this is the Denali, so it doesn't have like the off-road suspension, I don't think.
Oh, true. It's just like
so
road.
it's like the when Tacomas have the Platinum.
It feels like really small. Dang, that's
Because it
crazy.
has a flat front end.
Yeah, it just seems really low.
But I would definitely get a Sierra.
Oh, it's got the caramel interior too.
Does it?
Yeah.
I'm attracted to caramel interiors, I guess.
Yeah, apparently. Jesus. This is the, what is this, Royal Crimson or something?
Oh, this is lava red.
Oh, lava
I
red.
thought it was black from the other side.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. 44.
That does look like lava red.
I think it's Royal Crimson.
Is that what it's called?
Does she have a color on her? No. No color.
Automatic side.
They have it as brown.
Automatic side steps.
That's all the Platinums. Yeah, leather seats, got the contrast stitching. This is it. This is it, boys. New build. We're lifting it, putting on 37s, calling her good. It's got the good headlights with the bar, the DRL bars all around. I mean, we could always change those out aftermarket.
I like its color a lot.
It's classy, dude.
It's a nice truck. For a Platinum, I would
imagine it on bronze wheels with like lots of tire.
Yeah, true.
Like a nice bright bronze.
I
mean, that color.
Bronze, honestly.
Yeah, that's true. Either way. I mean, the colors.
Even the silver looks good.
Color's kind of cool. It's different. I was thinking more like white.
I don't think I'd get tired of this color. I think
it would still look cool in black. Like at night it looks black, but in the daytime.
If you look at it, if you just like don't look at this with the shade, it's just black.
I don't know. I really want to get a truck. I mean, Platinums are awesome. There's a lot of features, but the problem is I have a channel based on adding and modifying Fords, so like my Mustang. So if I start out with a truck that's completely loaded, exactly how I want it, all there really is suspension and like sound system and tint. So there's not too much to do to it.
That's about a weekend at Doty's.
Yeah, it's like a weekend job there. So I don't know if we want to go with the Platinum or Lariat even, and maybe just start with a base like I did with the Mustang and just change all the things that I want. I don't know. We'll have to find out. Here we got the Chevy fanboy taking a look at his C6.
Automatic.
Oh, C6 auto?
Wait,
dude,
what year is it though?
I don't know. It's locked, dude. It's way too high performance.
Is it locked?
Yeah.
Dude, they had to lock it on us.
Yeah, it's way too high performance. No one can handle sitting in this bad boy.
I just want to see the year.
Something that's cool is the top does come off. That's a cool feature on them.
Not on Z06s.
Oh, yeah, you have a slick top. That's
Z06s are fixed. This is a performance car.
Yeah.
I could get a Grand Sport.
I don't know. I'd still go Z06, but still, I mean, come on. I wanted to take a look at that interior. I mean, I love all performance cars, really. I mean, like, a car is cool if the engineers put some time and effort into it and made it fast. So I respect them, but I always have to give them some crap for it. But I'll have to definitely drive one or like sit in one and see what it's all about. They do. I mean, they can look cool. We looked at some online. They look pretty cool.
It's just, the problem is once you know, like there's a Z06 and a Grand Sport, it's like the wide body just makes the base not
Yeah,
look good.
the wide body does make a big old difference. Let's check your work here, buddy. She's back. She's fresh. She's
touch me.
smooth. She's smooth. All right, I guess you did a good job. Nice and detailed up. Yeah, you're in. One of the big things was this exhaust tip. It had like a black mark right there, but she's all taken care of now. All right, buddy. He got her all fluffed and buffed.
There's your whip.
The whip is back.
Did you get the ticket signed out yet?
Not yet. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to have you fluff and buff her for car show season.
When? Week Fest? You going to Week Fest? Oh, dude.
No.
SEMA? Oh, dude.
Car Mecca probably.
Oh, dude. Yeah, you got it. Even with my prisms on, I can see how faded it is.
Don't even. Fluffed and buffed. She's good fluff and buff, that's all. Should be set. So that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. You guys saw the finished product. We have Oscar's detailing work there, so it's all waxed and cleaned up for her. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. Tonight we're gonna be at Sacramento Raceway, so that video will be coming out probably on Friday. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.